Good morning, guys, and welcome back to the channel. I'm super excited today. I guess for the simple fact that I have a new toy. Now, we are going to take it and we are going to do some driving around today, so let's get started. Good morning, guys, and welcome to the channel. If you are new to the channel, this vehicle is new also, and we are about to have some off-road fun. Anything screams fun like just going where you're not supposed to be. As you can tell by the GoPro and my arm, now that's doing it for the video there, guys. Oh my gosh, was that deeper than it looked? Holy smokes. I don't think we're gonna try to go through that again. Oh my goodness. We're gonna go up here and we're gonna get out and look at the Jeep. Nothing screams holy smokes like about getting stuck and you're by yourself. Oh, it's all over. This was such a bad idea. Terrible idea. It was a lot of fun. Oh, there went my phone. Oh man, guys, this thing was just spotless. That's just terrible there. Like I said, guys, we are about to start having a lot of fun with this bad boy. Yes. I'm not gonna lie, the GoPro is absolutely destroyed right now. So as you can tell by my arm, I keep going back to this, but oh my goodness, that was fun. Let's get back on the road here. Look at the mud on the handle. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I should probably go down to the river there. It's on my shirt, my arm. That's doing it for the video, guys, that's for sure. Oh man. Well, let me at least try to get my hands cleaned up here. There is mud already all through this Jeep from the previous owner. So the one thing about this thing that I've learned is you gotta enjoy it. If you don't enjoy it, why do it? Why have it? Oh my gosh. All right, guys, let's get back in here. Let's get back to where there's actually a road. Alrighty, guys, now this was actually a pretty cool project, I'm not gonna lie. As you can see, the customer had matching halos to their wheels. Pink halos, the wheels are pink there. This was actually a pretty cool project. Now, I got everything run and wired and everything like that, which was sort of a little bit of a nightmare to figure out the factory wiring on these, because the way the lights are, I think I put it in the car. It doesn't really give a full description as to, you know, what color is what. Plus, when you look at the description, it kind of just says green turning, turning light, and then up here it says green turning light. And this wire was actually red, and then when you come up here to the red and it says, you know, daylight running lamp, red daylight running lamp, this wire was actually black, and it actually controls the color of the halos. So as you can see here, the customer does have the center console ripped out here, so I just made the wiring long enough to where they can put it wherever they want. If they want it back far, they can move it back. If they want it up far, they can hide it underneath there. But it was definitely a cool little project. Definitely think that this set the car off. Sweet little touch, I must say, for this little Miata. So let me know, guys. I do stuff like this all the time for people, so if you guys don't mind seeing stuff like that, you know, shoot a comment, give it a big thumbs up, let me know. But I'm gonna go ahead and make the wires underneath here look a little bit better. I just wanted to kind of shoot a video. And the Miata is actually kind of cool too, because unlike the C5, it has a little button here, which actually, if you want the headlights to stay up, they stay up. See how they go down? But if I push that button, they stay up. Now, if I turn the headlights on, you can see here the headlights, they pop up, which is actually kind of a cool little feature. You know, I gotta admit. See, lights off, headlights up. Push that little button, turn the headlights off, and the lamps actually stay up. That's actually pretty cool. That's one feature I did not know about the Miata, and now you can see there the halos are staying on all by the push of that button. So definitely a cool project. I definitely enjoyed it. If you guys want to see more, definitely let me know. So let me go ahead and button up these wires here and give her a call and tell her vehicle is ready. All right, guys, well, let's go ahead and be a man and let's take this car out for a drive. Actually, we're just going to pick up the customer so that she doesn't have to walk to my house. But, oh yeah, man card revoked. Just kidding, this car is actually kind of cool, I'm not gonna lie. And it is a 5-speed also. Well, that's way different than the C5. Being in 3rd gear and only 20 miles an hour. I could see myself driving this on a shady day. And just like that, the little Miata is off to the owner. She is tickled pink. See what I did there? Tickled pink. This XJ is an absolute beast. Look at that. The wheel is not even on the ground. Man. Guys, I am telling you, we are going to have so much fun with this thing. I should probably look into getting a cage because we are probably going to roll this thing. Man. Look at all the tree branches in here. We're having some fun now, guys. Not only is it a Corvette channel, but it is now an off-road channel. I still can't believe it. I cannot get over. Look at this. I mean, completely under the tire. Completely off the ground. This thing's amazing. Let's get back in here. that took some pretty wicked tree branches. The things you got to do for a thumbnail sometimes. I don't know if you guys can see, but we're going right through there. I'm not gonna lie, guys. I completely forgot how fun it was to go off-roading and just go where you're not supposed to be. Let's keep sending it. Alright guys, well this looks like a great place to shoot an outro. So if you guys are new to the channel, now's the time to subscribe. We have a bunch of things coming. We are going to have some fun with this XJ. As you can see, we are taking it places it should not be. So if you are new to the channel, now's the time to smash that like button. Comment down below what you guys want to see, where you guys want to see me take this thing next, and definitely subscribe. I will see you guys in the next upload.